Hi, I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy store? Okay, let's go. Dun 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 dun. Hi, it's me Shane from Dekiru English Academy here with you again. And today I want to talk to you about a little because my student last week said there were little people at the store. Of course, that's not what he meant. He meant there were a few people at the store, or there weren't many people at the store. But when we use little with countable nouns, it means small. So you can use little with uncountable nouns. For example, there is little food. There is little rain. There's little time. Hurry up, we have to go. There is little chance. He will never win. There's little chance that he will win. Okay, but using it with countable, it means small. So look at this picture. There are a couple of people at the store. A couple, remember, means two. Two people. There are a couple of people at the store. Easy. But if you use little, there are little people at the store. Well, that changes the whole meaning. So it means very small people running around the store. So there are a couple people at the store means there's two people at the store. There are little people at the store means there are small people at the store. And that's not what he meant. Okay. Here's a couple examples. There are a few cookies. There are little cookies. Little cookies. There are a few cars. There are little cars. I see a few elephants. I see little elephants. See the difference? Okay, so put little together, use little with both, and have a very cute picture. There is a little cat in a little rain. Oh, that's cute. So cute. Okay, I'm Shane from Dekiru Academy. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Boop, 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 boo.